Hello? Max? Max? Where are you people?
No be Max, be this. I see 4 men. We don't die for this place. They lie for ground. Where they move.
You said how many? 4?
I checked their phone. I can't see this number. So make a call them. You know them?
4 of them died, eh?
They don't die.
4 people? Where is the place?
They near the road where they pass go stream.
And who are you?
We some people. If you come, you go know.
Wait now!
Different kind of people. I sleep well.
What's going on? What kind of phone call is this, Beacon?
Because you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting what belongs to the poor.
This is happening in my life.
You are wicked man, you are evil. If they drag with you, it may be never. You will render the children orphans. They did nothing to you. Why do you took their life? You have taken the land. Why the killing? Oh, Mama Rabino, Ebere Makwalili, Oginika Meregi, Ijirinarahano. Oh, Mama Rabino, Ebere Makwalili,
What?
Honorable, what happened to them?
I don't know. Somebody called me with Mark's phone number to alert me of the incident. It was the voice of a little child.
Really?
Yes. So when I wanted to know who the caller was. Bam! Odropo. I'm sure this is the handiwork of my political enemies.
But then why go for your boys instead of coming straight to you?
Well, you know, they say they use the little chick to lure the hen. But what do you mean by coming for me?
Honorable, I'm confused because of this ugly scenario. But what do we do now? I mean, this corpse, this body should be removed from here immediately.
The police must see them first. Not until the police have seen them. I'm going to invite them right away and report them out officially. I can't let this lying low now. Let's go out to the road where my car is parked. I will invite them, yes.
It's okay.
I won't take it lying low.
Hey. Height of wickedness. My people, we have a case of invasion in our hands in this community. Our community has been invaded by some unknown killers. They have just killed 4 members of Honorable Okam's security guards. Hey! Just the same way they killed Maziokuru and his wife. So we need to deliberate on this.
But what do you think we can do? Since those people can kill Honorable Okam's men, who are we before them? We are like ants before them now. Can I make one? Huh?
My elders, we all know that Honorable Okam has been too generous to all of us.
Exactly.
Please, let us support him. Now, he's facing this challenge.
Exactly. You are very correct. Now that you have touched an aspect of his generosity tangentially, let me go straight into a related issue on that very generosity. One of the reasons we call this meeting today is for me to deliver a message of benevolence. In fact, to deliver a kind of generous gift from Mazi Okam to all of us.
Let me come. Okay. Hey! Honorable Madu. Honorable Okam.
I'm not why this woman
I don't know.
Yeah, that's so sick.
This your own. Hey! This your own. You and I, we have already taken our own now.
Yes.
Yeah, then. You even taking your own.
Yes. You know, when he told me about it, I was not expecting it. You know, but I was so happy. And I pray that Chuko Kikabiama should protect Honorable Okam for us.
What we have there is 200,000 each.
Yes.
May God bless this man for me.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
He said,
Ndị nwe mmadụ bịanụ. Uzoka. Ezuru. Ibe and Azun, please. Yes, it's me or no Okam. Come back, it's me. It's me live.
hi! Mazi Okam.
Come. Sit down, please.
Honorable.
Yeah? Come.
You decided to appear incognito. You scared daylight out of me.
So, who did you think I was? Eh?
Honorable.
Yeah? Who did you think I was? Sit down. Who did you think I was, please?
We thought you were one of those killers.
Not at all. This is just a disguise to protect myself from those killers we are talking about, who have invaded the community. Yes, please relax.
Honestly, Honorable, you are very correct. But let me thank you for the gift you gave to me through Mazi Ozoka.
Yes, you don't need to mention. You know it's always in my blood. Yes, and I'm here to tell you people that everybody should be careful because we have been precariously exposed to killers in our community. Imana asana onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eme gịnị? Eche ndụ ya nche mgbe niile. So we have to watch it diligently. Okay? Yes.
Honorable.
Yes.
I want to condole with you on behalf of those that are here and those that are not here. Please take heart.
It's okay. Thank you very much. The police is on top of the matter. Okay. And I'm sure that they will ravel the mystery very soon. Any moment from now. Yes.
We pray so.
Yes.
But I ask, can police be able to see to all these things?
Well, nothing is impossible. Let them do their job first. Let them do their job first.
Honorable.
Yes.
While the police are doing their work, we ourselves should be doing our own work here within ourselves.
Exactly.
Very important.
Yes, Ochak.
Why are you people looking at the
Ochak.
I can win in
Hey, you are cheating. You're not supposed to step on this one now. You don't match line now, you don't cheat. When you are not the cheater, why you like to do paper but every time when you just say the way you go to complain. You wasted the one. This your cheating don't enter your blood though. I never enter anything, I never cheat. If you know the play again, you talk say you know the play. Come and collect now. Every time they win you go to complain every time. Hey, you don't match line, I don't match line. Oh, Pablo, I don't match any line. Now that's I am trained now.
Auntie?
Yes.
Baba? Tata? How are you?
Don't clean.
Clean what?
My son. Come on from there. Auntie. Auntie, why you don't come back? Auntie say you don't abandon us. Don't say you dey fear.
My husband said I should come and stay with you people for some days. Oh, carry my bag, come.
Yeah.
Bring my... Bring. You dey play with it. Come.
We go bring
her later. Man, don't find my bag.
I don't do my own. No, let me go play now. Then I tell you they do it. They walk. Then like this they do it. It's a lie. You want to put it. You go come put two legs. Because like this. You are doing making my tools come on first. Papa! We don't come!
Because you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting what belongs to the poor. You are wicked man, you are evil. If they rock with you, it may be not fun.
No touch. I don't touch. I make I play my own. Hey, I don't touch. I don't touch anything. Don't tell me. I don't win you.
You won. So, how have you been since I left?
No be as now. Yes, so just enjoy life.
I heard the Honorable Okam lost 4 of his stocks. Ezoku.
That's what we hear.
What happened?
No. I want to know. I die.
Just like that?
You don't see him now.
I heard they were killed.
By who?
I don't know. That was what I heard.
That was also what we heard. And now, you know, say, our parents done the revenge for us. And God done the revenge for them too. How is your uncle husband?
Uncle husband is fine.
Okay. Auntie, what did you buy for us?
What I bought for you is in my bag. Go to my bag. Hey! No, only one. Now one. One.
What is all this? How can I find out who is behind all this? At least I can give him some money to leave me alone. Hey. Anyway, I think I know what to do. Yes, I know what to do.
Because you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting what belongs to the poor. You are wicked man, you are evil. If they rock with you, it may be not far. You will render the children of us.
And see, they enjoy it.
With granite. Oh, you can't sit and enjoy with me.
Why not? No, stop.
Baba, Bobo.
Huh?
Tata. You have really been wondering what has really given you the guts and the morals to remain in this village. My husband has asked me to come and get you, and that is why I'm here.
Auntie no go work. Go tell your uncle husband say no go work.
What thing be no go work?
You no go fit comot for this house o. No dey go anywhere.
Wait. Why, Kwana? Why?
We no fit leave our papa and our mama here comot. Okay, imagine now. You born to begin. You fit leave the two of them comot go travel. No. I will never even retaliate people wey kill our mama and papa.
Your parents are dead and buried. Eh? How long would you continue to mourn them? I'm asking you. How long? Let's say you're supposed to move on with your lives. You are little children. You need someone to take care of you.
Auntie, don't go. We'll be adults now because our mama and papa don't die. Okay, adults.
Okay. Let me ask you. How do you want to cope in this village?
We'll cope now.
You will cope?
Anyway, sure.
What of those that killed your parents if they return to come and kill you? Have you ever thought of it?
When they come kill us now, we'll go stay with our mama and papa. And they don't even fit do anything.
Really? Why do you think so?
Because our mama and papa they with us. They're ready to fight for us. Yes, sir. And they still even they protect us. So they're not fit do anything. Look. Oh. When the time comes, you run away, don't talk, don't do stuff.
Honorable, what is after you this afternoon?
Igwekan, can't you see I'm in disguise? The cricket is on the run. Something I cannot see is after my life.
I heard about the mysterious death of your bodyguards. This was a calamity.
Yes, and until now, the police have not been able to find the cause of their deaths.
Okam, the man that gathered the ant-infested firewood deliberately invited the lizard to the feast.
Gwekal, I can't understand though. I can't understand.
You blooded your hands because of greed, and those who are against you are bent on taking that pound of flesh from you.
Igwekal, is there nothing we can do to appease them?
If you are clever, you escape. If not, they must take their vengeance from you.
Igwekal, you are not a small dibia. Your dibialistic juggernauticism has no bounds. I'm sure you can find a way to help me. My political ambition is only beginning to gain stronger expression. Please help me, I don't want to die.
It's not all about money, but the charges brought against you before the gods. Like I said earlier, if you are fast enough, you escape from their vengeance. If not, you must pay for the crime against them.
Politics. These political opponents are always ready to commit atrocities for the sake of power. Well, I know it is a battle of the fittest. Iwekan, call the alarm. Alarm!
What a man sows, let him reap it.
Bobo! Tata! Bobo! What is going on? Eh? What is going on in this house? Where have they gone to again? What What is the meaning of all this? Where are they? Eh? Can you hear there? Because these are not the children that I know. Who is beating these drums for these children? Who is beating the drums that these children are dancing onto? Because these are not the kids that I know. These are not my sister's kids. What the ma? I just have a meeting.
What a world with wicked people everywhere. They are busy collecting what does not belong to them by fire, by force.
Mazi. What's the matter with you, young man? Huh? Why are you looking harassed?
Mazi is your friend, Yezuru.
What about him?
He's dead.
Are you normal? Have you gone bananas? What do you mean he's dead?
Your friend Mazi Yezuru is dead. He was confirmed dead right in his house.
My ancestors say. What do you say happened to my friend?
I really don't know what happened to him, but everyone who saw him said that he was found dead right inside his house. I'll be on my way.
Hi. Uzoka. There is trouble in this village. But what am I going to do?
You cannot run, but you cannot hide. Are ready to avenge. You cannot hide away from them. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run away from their wrath. These children are ready to avenge.
Honorable Okam. Honorable. It's me, Mazo Zoka. Yes. Yes, I'm alone.
Era of fear is gone. Now they are out to inflict in return. There was well. Now they're indestructible, and nothing can penetrate them. You thought you have killed them all.
Uzoka, why are you looking so harassed?
Honorable, something bigger than cricket has entered the cricket's living place. My enemies are very close to me. In fact, they are closer to my band.
Then who is after you?
That's the question. I don't know the people who are after me. All I know is that they are very close. They are bent on destroying me.
Uzoka, then we are in the same boat. Because my political enemies are running after me. They want to destroy me and my political career. So, what is happening to you?
Honorable, haven't you heard? Ezuru, my friend, is dead.
Ezuru?
Yes.
How did he die, Biko?
They said he was well in the morning. But later in the day, they suddenly found him dead with finger marks all over his face. Like the ones we saw on your bodyguard faces. Eh? Small children fingers like that.
Uzoka, do you know I'm so afraid? I cannot sleep in the night the way I used to sleep before. And in the daytime, I cannot walk about. Because you don't know who is watching and following you.
But don't you think it is high time that we went and see Bekala for solutions to our problems?
I've gone secretly to see Bekala.
What did he say?
He has no solutions. He even added pepper to eye drop. He made me more afraid with all he said. Because if the fingerprints found on my bodyguards were the same fingerprints on Ezuru, then we are in for serious trouble.
Do you think, as I suggested before, that we are fighting against the spirit of Mazukuru and his wife?
Mbano, I'm not considering that. Igbekala could have told me. Besides, why should they come after me? Did I kill them? Uzoka, did I kill them? I didn't.
Uzoka. Chai. Honorable, do you have any wine here that can make me drunk?
But why do you want to get drunk intentionally?
To drink and forget my sorrows and check my fears.
Then I guess you need a Bukavin. Maybe just give me 1 minute and a Bukavin you will have. Hey, well, you good in it.
Tata! Where are these children? Where are these children? What is going on? Why have these children decided to remain in this village all alone? Who is really beating these drums for these children? What's going on?
Auntie, good afternoon.
You're so giant. Where are you coming from?
Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to see the Queen. Pussycat, what have you done? I chased the little rat out of the shoe.
Tata, what is the meaning of this song?
Now the song where all these small children they sing for school.
Oh, Tata, I ask you again, what is the meaning of this song?
As they come back from market, we can't hear say Mazezuru don't die.
Who be Mazezuru?
Now one of those men wey hate our mom and papa.
We hate your mama and papa? Okay. So what you gonna kill him?
Die kill him. Die carry him. Phew! You know easy.
You say you're not serious, right?
I'm serious. I I did even pass you. I did. As you see me like this now. Now seriousness they kill me for here. I did serious die. You don't cool. Ah.
Okay.
Hey.
I heard you. Thank you for your information. So, are you hungry? Just come.
No. But I never tell you say I don't change my name now. I not be hungry. My name na Tata Okoro Tata. Ha. I go feel leave Tata.
It simply means you want chop.
Ha.
You want chop.
I want chop.
By the way, where's your brother?
You see they come. You know say it too like play.
You like play, I agree.
It too like play.
You too like play. I mean, come check your phone.
Pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to see the queen.
Tata. Come eat your.
Pussycat, what have you done? I chased the little rat out of the shoe. Pussy.
Push me, I will push you. Hold me, I will hold you. Beat me, I will beat you. Ha! Iwe! Mazozoka. Iwe! I will beat you and you catch me out. Anybody who is planning to catch Mazuzoka is planning to catch the wind. Mazuzoka! I am now the wind. Come and catch me now. Then you quench me, I will quench you.
Wait you. Now drinks Mazo Zoka drinks you.
This is strange. I don't know him with this.
Are you serious?
He is a gentleman. Huh? And not given to a drunkenness.
Babe, trouble there for different friendships, you.
Hey!
I tell you. Hey!
Hey, anyway. It is well. I should be going now.
You alright?
Okay. Goodbye.
Hey! Get back. Eh? What is Auntie? Where are you going again?
Auntie, any wahala?
Me? Any wahala? We were discussing something yesterday. Have we finished? Oh yeah? Go and sit down. Let's finish so I will know what to do, please.
No need. This is where we talk. No need. I don't tell you before. Say we know they come out anywhere. We know they come out. We no go feel leave this house. Come out, go anywhere.
Yes, so. We no feel leave our papa and our mama come out. Lie.
If we leave them come out now, they go just so lonely.
Yeah.
We go come stay with them.
Are you okay? Is something wrong with you? Your father and mother are dead and buried.
Now lie. They sit there for this house. And if we leave them come out now, they go they so lonely. Now because now betraying things be that.
Nah. See,
for that side now go come become sad.
Come Sambutua. See, auntie, just go your house. Tell your uncle husband say we no do go anywhere. We no feel leave our papa. We die here.
You die here?
We die here. You no go die here.
I go die here.
We die here.
Who do this thing? Eh? Eh? I see how foolish you have become. Stubborn grasshoppers. What is this thing now? What is your problem?
They drag this matter. No, they drag and we know they come out anywhere.
Because we know they
drag them.
Do you want to destroy your lives? I'm asking you, why do you want to destroy your lives? Why do you want to destroy your lives? Eh? Okay. I can see you've made up your mind. My husband was really expecting me to come back with you people. Well, as it is, I'll go inside, carry my bag and leave. You can remain.
If they come out a beg, help us lock the door. They come out, go see our friend.
No mosquito, no entice.
Bye-bye.
No, leave her.
Hi! Chineke. Well, so bad. to lock your house. No problem. We'll see. Don't follow me. Remain in this house.
Mazi, good afternoon.
How are you?
You know they fine.
Why?
We're hungry.
You know they fine. You they hungry. How you see my business? If you are hungry, don't you know what to do? Or where to go and get something to eat?
Oga, we get house, but we don't get what to eat.
Aga, we get house, but we don't get what to eat. Do I look like a food seller to you? Leave this place.
You be our food seller now. You be our, since when you kill our mama and papa, you know now mama and papa they give us food. But as you don't kill as you don't kill them now. What you want me to chop?
They don't have food.
Now you go to give us food.
Listen very carefully. Before I close my eyes and open it, disappear here.
What's going to happen? What's going to happen if you know?
You will not like what I will do to you now.
Oga, no open eye. You don't do anything. Oga, open eye. Don't be kill our mama and papa. If you try nonsense now, you go collect. You just say you no get sense.
Me go collect.
You go collect what to put us.
Nekwa. Me go collect. Me Mazibe.
Don't try open eye.
Leave this for me.
As you don't collect money, the blood money where they use kill our mama and papa. You too.
You thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit. This is Judgment Day. You must pay.
Mazuzoka. It is Diochi. I have a message for you.
I hope you are alone.
Yes, I am alone.
Yes. I hope all is well.
Mazuzoka, what we see hanging on the palm tree is too heavy sometimes to say.
That is correct. But the question is, what is it that you have seen that make you come to my house in this manner now?
The death of Ibe.
Ibe! Hey!
I saw it happen.
You saw it happen? You saw Ibe die?
Yes, I did.
Tell me, how did it happen?
Mazi, are you not going to give me seat or even cola? Give me cola now.
Diochi, are you here to eat cola? Eh? Or what? What if I had told you to go and show me where they killed Ibe? Would you have asked me about cola? Huh?
Sorry, don't be angry. Huh?
Not that I'm angry with you, but it's only that I want to hear about Ibe. Tell me about Ibe's death, if it is true.
Ibe called me to his house to help him trim some palm trees. And as I climbed the palm tree, before I started cutting, the children of Okoro and Nena came in to confront Ibe. And they killed him.
They killed him?
They killed him just like that.
So this suspicion is true.
Mazuzoka, I have never been as frightened as I was that day. My legs were shaking on that palm tree. And I thank God that I did not slip and fall. And they did not see me.
I'm still wondering, how did they kill him?
That one na invisible power. Because Ibe wanted to confront them, to deal with them. But they just pushed him to the ground and he could not stand up again. They walked to him and started slapping his cheek. And then they twisted his neck. Then they walked away. That is it.
Dude, are you sure of what you are saying?
Is it possible to joke about grievous matters like this? I was the one that informed Ibe's people about his death. I only came here to tell you about the people that killed him.
But why are they killing people? Why are they killing people like flies?
Mazi, they said something before they killed him.
What did they say?
They accused him of partaking in the blood money that was given from the death of their parents.
Blood money? Which blood money? Who gave blood money?
Me, I don't know. But that is what I heard.
Anyway, Diochi, thank you very much for this information. Thank you. I will gather our people and give them the information. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you. But, Mazi, is it that you are trying to tell me now that I am not qualified to take Kola in your house? Because I don't know.
Diochi, it's alright. You are overqualified. Eh? Just a minute, I'll get you a Kola.
Hello.
Them see also, my wife. They saw us and they have gossiped.
Who saw us?
The palm tree climber and the tapper. Diochi saw us and he has gossiped. We won't allow them put our children in danger. We must act fast.
Who did he talk to? My husband.
Ozoka heard and is planning to send it abroad against us.
Then both of them must go.
As you are going now, personally, I'm going straight to Honorable's house. Because he must hear this. A snake seen by one person always turn out to become a python.
You are correct.
Huh? Let's go and let me go and give you legs. I have never seen somebody as good as Honorable. That's why I have always rooted for him. But it's all right. Bye-bye.
Biko, talk well with Honorable for me. And please, greet him for me, eh?
Don't worry, he will hear all those things. Eh? And even you yourself, you hear from me concerning our meeting. That's my meeting with Honorable. Eh?
Odino.
Yeah. you see that what I was telling you is finally the truth.
What were you telling me that is the truth?
That the two children of Maziokuru have hands in this killing going on in our community.
Uzoka, do you believe the story?
Honorable, why are you asking me this kind of question? Am I a small child? Eh? What I'm telling you is the truth and nothing but the truth.
That the two children of Maziokuru, Watete, are involved in the killings in this community.
All right, let me expand the story. I was in my house when Diochi came in and told me how he was on top of palm tree and saw the two children of Maziokuru came in and killed Mazibe by slapping him and twisting his neck. And then they walked away.
Uzoka, I'm finding it difficult.
Okay.
Finding it difficult to believe this.
Okay.
What am I going to do to those witchokways? Eh? What am I going to do to them?
Those chokways,
Yes.
they are small in size, but you don't know that they are mighty in their deed. Look, Honorable, I'm beginning to suspect that those children are no longer ordinary children. They have gone extraordinary.
Ewele. Uzoka, I'm beginning to think like you.
Oh.
And in that case, I'm going to report to the police
Good.
immediately.
Now you are talking.
Immediately. Yeah. Hello? Yeah? Who is this? Diochi. Dead? Where are you now? His house.
Honorable, what is it are you saying about Diochi?
Diochi, I wanna pay.
Chai. Honorable, can you find me something to disguise myself? I want to go back to my house.
The problem is size. Look at your size and mine. But
I will manage it. I will manage it.
So get to your 4 rounds. Okay?
I will manage it.
I will look for something. I will look for something. Good.
Piko, onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance.
Stop dancing! Hey!
My auntie, why did you tell us to stop dancing?
Somebody just died in this village, oh.
Who died?
You know Diochi, the tree climber. Eh? He just died though. He just died.
May he die and like that they die. May save Johnny. May go away.
Wait. Is that all you can say?
Now what you want me to talk now? I mean, Baba, I will continue. Go. Finish.
mercy.
Honorable, what is it? Huh? Why are you laughing at me like that?
Look, it's okay. Honestly, from a distance, you look like a drunken criminal.
Me?
Then on a close observation, you look like Ojuju Calabar.
Honorable, don't insult me. You know we are all trying to save ourselves. Huh?
Yes.
If you don't do that, you may be the next to go, to join your ancestors.
Yes. Are you afraid of editing?
Well, my brother, to tell you the truth, nobody knows where death will come from. Let me go home first. Even as I am going, I am very sure that if death passes me, it will not recognize me.
You are right. But please, when you get home, don't fail to call me to tell me of your safe arrival.
I will. I will. Continue your loving spirit. Honorable, sir, I'm a Juju Calabar.
I didn't want to be a gun quick. I didn't go. Try. I got way over there here, the
You thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit. This is Judgment Day. You must pay for all your evil deed. No peace for the wicked.
You are not my target now. Come on, they go.
But you cannot hide. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot hide away from them. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run away from their wrath.
These children. What is wrong with these children? What is going on? Because I do not understand these children again, no? Hello, Daddy. That's what they said, though. They said they are not leaving this village. That they cannot leave their mother and father, Daddy. I don't know. Daddy, I think that's what I should do. Yes, sir. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow morning. If we're going to go, Hey!
My house?
They go your house. One know whether they hasn't today for house.
He's not around. He went to Azumiri to see his friend. I hope all is well.
I beg, if you come back, try and say we'll come find him, but we'll not see him.
The children of Bazi Okoro of dead memory.
Dead memory.
Yeah.
Ogano, I will tell him. My children, there's something I want to tell you people. In fact, let me say it the way you understand. Ona gari na village here. If they walk around this village, Mona dey careful. Okay. Igbo people now plenty for this village. Many things that happen. I beg. My children. Oh yeah now. Ngwanu. Take care of yourself.
Afurumge, how are you?
Ade, I beg you get my load waiting for inside bush. I want make you help me carry.
Load inside bush.
Just for down.
What load is that?
Na firewood. I want make you help me carry am.
Firewood. You don't even carry your size.
You see, I don't want make her carry today. Tomorrow again, I go come fetch firewood. I want make her carry everything together today, so that I no go come again tomorrow. I beg, go ahead me. I beg.
Okay.
Let's go. No, we go.
I can agakwa. I can't see any firewood here. Where is the firewood you're talking about?
I am the firewood.
But you told me there's no other person here except you.
Mazazindo, if you want to go to your house, may you drop message. Come see your wife for to say you know the house.
And what is the message all about? Is that why you brought me into this bush?
Baba, talk to him. You no follow for those who kill our papa and our mama.
What kind of nonsense and disrespect is this? Is that why you lure me into this bush? Are you not afraid of me?
Afraid of who? You. You. So you don't strong past the talks of Okanwe with discipline. Eh?
See, you little rat. If you don't get out of this place now, I will eat people up. This sound like Okoro's voice.
Exactly. You were among those who killed us.
See, I'm not among those that killed both of you. I'm not among them.
They gave you money and you covered your eyes from the truth.
Today, you will join us in the land beyond.
Ha! You lie. Esia, you cannot do that. See, you people cannot do anything. Nonsense. Hey,
For killing our mama and papa, you two will die. You go face the consequences.
It's time for revenge. Inflict harm and return. It's time for revenge. You have no place to hide. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run, but you cannot hide. These children are ready to avenge.
Hello? You know who get this phone? I see this number for this phone. You know who get them?
It is my husband's phone.
Okay.
Who you be?
I see your husband for road. He lie down there, you know the move. Be like say he don't die.
They joke, I mean, what did they talk?
I say be like say he don't die, Jackpot, you don't die. So, as it be so, you will come carry him. Come carry him, oh.
My husband! Where be the place?
Who's he?
Who's he? Okay, I come.
The era of fear is gone. Now they are out.
What happened to Mazazundu? Did he kill himself? Hey! Don't touch it. Hey! How could he have killed himself? Hey! With what I see here, it doesn't look like
he has any wound.
Hey, don't touch
You are
now.
right, my dear.
Hey!
Hey, my husband! Jesus! What did you say?
We don't know. We don't know.
What did you say?
Calm down.
We just saw him down.
It's okay. Hey, wait. Check. Baba and Tata.
Bye-bye. If you come out, tell us. Reach your husband to us. Yes, sir.
So you are adamant you're not going to leave this village, eh?
See, auntie, what you be past adamant? We don't feel leave our papa and our mama for this house, like until all those people will kill them, pay finish.
Pay what? Eh? What are they paying and who are they paying to?
See, you know, say this thing, you no go understand them now. Now, after later, you go understand them. You no go understand them now when you go tell you.
Bobo. Tata. No. Hope is not what I'm thinking, no.
What do you think?
See, auntie, no they think, oh. If you want go, you dey go. No they think before you turn to think a clopan.
Hey, God, you know I have tried. I have tried. See, if anything happens to you in this village, I will not be blamed though, because I have tried. Nobody will blame me.
Bye-bye. You talk to husband.
Auntie, if you dey go, make you know how you go. Take careful the waka for road this day. Because this village is very dangerous. You don't know the person where they go kill again.
Bye-bye.
Make her dey go before night go meet me. Mona, take care.
Oh.
Yeah, may we start the practice.
Which one go dance? Which one go dance?
No, that's my cosa now.
Oh yeah, start. No, come and sit down and put the music.
Come. No, na be Mazio Crow children.
Who na be? What na fight happen?
You two are being suspected of having hands in the death happening in this village. What's funny?
Una be funny na.
Una dey make us laugh. Una be comedian. Who dey sponsor una?
Come. Na police officer will be you. We think say we come here come play with una.
We thought say you come here come play with us.
Una want dance with us?
Are you sure these children are mentally okay?
Nah,
you tell me mental. Nah. You come this house, you see small children where they enjoy themselves, if they talk rubbish.
Officer.
You want dancing?
What is the talk?
Huh? Una dey craze? Come with us.
I beg you, shut up. She say you fit dance my cosa.
Una see the talk. Come with us.
Okay. Wait the dance for our mama and talk. Oh yeah.
Well, they
una go dance my cosa. Na.
Can you imagine? Move, my friend.
Don't worry, go wonder.
Dance my cosa. Na.
But calm down.
I don't understand.
La grande ici, mandibule la allez ton cœur. C'est mon moment. Yalolo Swami.
Go like that.
As soon as they come out, everything what they wanna pray. As soon as they come out now, everything what happen here, una no go remember them again. Everything what happen here go clear for una mind.
Alema Sumba Miseni. Claude Ngoma Kosi. Mwana bandala kitoko. Kamine Tumbola. Alebola. Arme lourde. Jungo SFL. Thierry Mungita.
What is the problem? Who is that?
For revenge, you have no place to hide.
Good afternoon, Sam.
Come, stop here. Now we dey greet Sama.
Sorry.
Hey, Ndala. Must they go the loan? Nonsense. Let us go to Okama's place. Go and Cardinal look his own. They go run for this village. They go run. They go die. They will go.